Welcome back to Microlocs inspired by Lati. So in today's video, you guys, I am going to show you how I do my daily Microlocs routine, the products that I use, and what I do on a regular, normal, everyday basis. It's very simple, but I want you guys to stay tuned for that. But y'all know I have to bring y'all a little bit of lifestyle content as well. So recently we went to Gatlinburg, Tennessee, Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, in that area, very touristy, and I wanted to show you guys the home, the Airbnb that we stayed in. It was very nice, spacious. It was 5 bedrooms. It has several amenities, as you can see, the pool table, arcade game. It also had a jacuzzi out in the back, 2 decks with the barbecue grill, fire pits, and things of that nature. It was just very nice, very good scenery, a whole vibe. It was 5 couples that went. I'm sorry, it was 4 couples that ended up going. And again, I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of the Airbnb that we stayed in. The address was 1976 Tranquility Lane. Sounds very relaxing, right? So, and that was Seaverville, Tennessee. But if you're ever in the area, you need somewhere to stay. It was a great stay and very comfortable. So if you're ever in the area, make sure you check that out on the Airbnb website. But let's get into this hair. Okay, let's do this head. Time to do this hair. If y'all hear them out there, y'all, everybody up, moving around, talking, laughing, getting ready for the day. So this keeps my scalp nice and moisturized. Mielle drops. This is Rosemary mint scalp and hair strengthening oil. And I'll just go through. I think I'm gonna do a bun today. Take my good old trusty water bottle that I got from the hair store. And keep your locks nice and moisturized. Keep them from being dry and brittle. You can get this anywhere. Local beauty supply store. Target. Smells really good. It's coconut. And sometimes I'll take some oil sheen from my local beauty supply as well. And this is pretty much my daily routine. I don't put the drops in my hair every day, but when I feel like it's necessary. So, there you have it. Gotta do my edges. Thanks. So that is my very basic routine for my Microlocs. It is very low maintenance, and that's just what I do every day. But there are a couple more clips of our trip, and I just wanted to show you guys a little more footage of how we enjoyed our time in Gatlinburg, Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. And yes, girl, we had mimosas for breakfast. We were doing just some day drinking, but we on vacation, so it's okay. It's cool because typically, no ma'am, not me. And as you can see, the home had another little game area. My husband and I were playing ping pong, cornhole, and I won. Usually I don't win any games against him, but I did that. Hey, I was so happy and I was talking so much smack. This little island.
That's where we just was at the escape room, and we wasn't able to escape.
We got real close though.
No cigar.
So that concludes this video. Let me know how you do your daily Microlocs routine by leaving me a comment below. And then also, have you ever been to Gatlinburg, Pigeon Forge, Tennessee? Let me know in the comments. Bye, loves. Deuces.